It's the touch of winter your mantle is missing. These peaked mountains, they point tall and they stretch wide, making it the perfect in-between holiday filler in your home. Welcome back to Studio 5. There's a lot to love about this creative idea. It's easy, first of all, it's inexpensive, and it can be tackled by the most beginner crafter, which makes it the perfect choice for this week's Project Corner.
Hi, it's Michelle Inkley from the Glitzy Pear. Welcome to my craft studio. Today I'm going to show you a project that I've been working on. It's these darling little Swedish mountains that I have been wanting to do for my mantle for a long time now. The first thing I did was I went to Home Depot and I purchased a piece of plywood. So I tried to find the kind of roughed up side that was really cute, had the cracks in it. So this is your piece. It's really easy. It's simple triangle cuts, and Home Depot can do it for you, $1 a cut if you need them to. So I added these little pieces at the bottom and I glued them on there. I didn't even nail them on there, I just wood glued them on there. So pretty simple, and now they're really sturdy and they're not gonna tip over. I wanted to add a little snow cap to it. Just take your brush and acrylic paint, just a white acrylic paint, and freehand your mountaintop. So I kind of liked them a little bit pointier. So I kind of left a little point there at the bottom. Make sure you take it around the sides though. After you get that all painted and really pretty, you can do two of things. You can just leave it as is, or you can use a wax. It's clear, and I think you can get some at Home Depot too. There's lots of different brands. And you can just rub it in to the wood. Makes it a little bit darker, but it makes it a little glossy too. It makes it a little more finished looking. I do have another thing that I am experimenting with. I thought it would be really great to maybe do a little silver leafing on that. Rub a little bit of your glue onto your triangle. And you want it sporadic, so don't make it too pretty. After that sits for about 15 minutes, it's gonna be really tacky, which is gonna be perfect for you to just kind of add this silver leafing. You just get your little pieces and lay them on the glue that you've just put down. And it doesn't matter if they break, just kind of tap them in there. And then once that's kind of set for maybe another 15 minutes, you'll come back with a little makeup brush and burnish those off. And then you'll have this nice little shiny, just a touch of metallic that looks like drifting snow down onto your mountain. And there you have it, your finished product. It is simple, it was easy, it was quick and inexpensive, and you've got a darling little centerpiece for your mantle.
Okay, those are almost as cute as Michelle is herself, and I love the idea of a little sparkle, because once Christmas comes down, your home does feel empty. Yes, you want your home to breathe and be a little fresh and clean, but that touch of metallic was just the right transition, I would say, metallic transition into our winter snow season. If you want the complete tutorial, be sure to dial up Michelle's website, theglitzypear.com. We've posted a link on our website under the Project Corner section too.